I accidentally ended it. Well, we're putting the milk in. Oh, shut up.
You mean the spoon?
Hold on. What was that? Oh, shit. We gotta put this in before.
No, we don't.
Sorry, people.
No. Not yet. We gotta mix the milk with the eggs first. Stop. No. Okay, now you can do it.
Okay, people. We've now started. That's at 200. We should hurry. It's burning up. We're gonna light the house on fire, Killian.
Okay.
Hold it.
Nobody cares about my house.
You want somewhere to live, don't you?
You should hurry. Yeah.
Here, take that. Let's turn this off for a second.
Yeah, that's what my mom does. She turns it off when it starts to like warm up. Okay. Well, then
I'm gonna light the fucking house.
Dude, watch your language on YouTube.
Shit.
Stop!
Oh,
Shut up.
God, sorry.
Shut the flip up.
Okay. Fuck.
He does like to swear a lot, huh?
You do too. Jesus.
I did not swear
How
yet.
much do all of us want?
I want 2.
2.
Nobody cares, Mark.
Oh, that's nasty. Lit. There's a little something on your bread.
It's fine.
Do we put it back to 200 now? Since there's cooking stuff on it?
Yeah. Cooking with Braxton and Killian. What was that? Wallapa! Willoughby.
Oh my god.
Is there anything to drink? I don't want to. I already know what it feels like.
Oh my god, that is so disgusting. Oh, what?
Just put it on the thinking.
I think this bread was a little excited.
There's my glasses stuff. We have Braxton's Powerade. We got the Xbox. We got Braxton's cover for the tablet. We got Stitch over there. Stitch!
Oh my god, it's running down my...
Guys, I'm gonna die. That looks so disgusting.
Look at the other side.
Tell the world, how are you feeling right now?
Horrible.
Maybe that's why I should have done it.
I was touching my penis after I opened your
Braxton!
Sorry.
Oh, you just broke it. Braxton, Mark gets that one.
Okay.
Mark gets the broken one. You just try to fix it. Okay, we have 3. We have one for me, one for you, and one for Mark. But we're gonna have 6. Am I right? Look at the camera.
Yes, you're right. I didn't say anything, people. People of the world never copy what I say, please. Shit. That's all they always say. Shit.
You motherfucking guy. Oh my god. So this morning my alarm went off for 7:35.
Scared the shit out of us.
Yeah, it scared me so bad. I yelled, Jesus motherfucking Christ.
We need to make a little more.
We don't have any more eggs.
Isn't your mom out? You can call her and ask her if she can go buy eggs.
But we're making a video.
It's okay, we'll pause it and...
No, if I pause it and go out, it will stop the video.
Then don't press the button where you get rid of all of them. Like, throw them away, kind of. Just kind of leave it there.